Well, I guess we are going to capture B. And then perhaps head to C. Perhaps capture A if team is incapable of taking. I have cat pet here. Say hello, cat. Okay, be silent. It's fine. Right, we capture A, that is good, this is very good. We must very sneaky, breaky like shoot at you. Get wrecked, scrub. And we shall turn the corner and see. We shall see that. We shall see that it sees us get fucked, scrub! We are very good at this game! Excellent, they've captured B. We have failed. Oh. Oh. Oh, Hans! Hans, can you feel it? You can feel it, Hans! Your cannon barrel saves your life! Ah! What are you going to do, Hans? Nothing. You're going to do nothing. We shall do a very silly movement forward. Yes, we get shot. This is not good. I did not see them. Oh boy. Oh boy. Yep, we are getting shot. This is not good. Our position is being revealed and an AMX has been killed. Yep, it was the sneaky French. I was not looking for the French, I was looking for the white flags, and that one did not have a white flag, so I did not see them. It is very unfortunate, but that is how the cookie crumbles, as they say. Well, there is no one on B, so I shall capture it. We've captured most of the well, this strategic zone has been captured. And that is... I cannot get the line. I cannot get the line. There we go. Well, there was something there. We still have the Porsche turret tiger somewhere over there. I do not see that madman, so I shall continue on to capture C. Oh! Guten Tag! That was very silly of you. As this is likely very silly of me. I am approaching very large encounter area, no backup support, and I have no idea where enemies be, but I am hide nonetheless and capture point. Hopeful. Maybe scooch up a bit. Yeah, scooch up a bit. There we go. Now my barrel is visible. That's not good. Not good. Is fine though. We have captured. We have captured zone. Maybe now they shall continue with their drawings of the internet shenanigans as we have captured them, and they have no choice. And as you can see, this is very out of the ordinary, as I have won a match with a team that is mostly shit, but one halfway competent team and mostly shit German opponent. That is the secret, is to fight Germany, not be them.